SMMEstart, a chat-based business recovery resource launched on WhatsApp to assist SMMEs in South Africa during the COVID-19 pandemic. Well, it's been launched on the social media platform to provide SMMEs in the country with information, guidance and resources to help business owners restart and grow their businesses during COVID-19. SMMEstart enables micro, small and medium-sized businesses to make use of financial, legal and marketing information to help with the growth of businesses. With just a simple text on WhatsApp, business owners are now able to access information which will equip them with the tools they need to help successful businesses. But to tell us more, we joined on the line by Samantha Manclark, who is the Director of Josie Hub and Team Leader for SMMEstart. A very good morning to you, Samantha. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to Morning Live.
Thank you so much, Cynthia. Nice to be here.
Please share with us in greater detail what SMMEstart is about.
So, Cynthia, let me take a step back and just say that many of the viewers this morning will be familiar with the National Department of Health's WhatsApp line, Contact NDOH, which provides a whole load of information relating to COVID-19, very credible information, informing the public of COVID-19 information. So on the back of the success of that line and the knowledge that many South Africans are using WhatsApp to communicate every day, we decided to build a similar platform, but with business resources and information that any small or micro business owner that has a phone and that is connected to WhatsApp can access information that could be useful in this time when people are trying to recover and grow their businesses that have been challenged by this pandemic.
So why did you choose the WhatsApp platform as a means to assist those businesses?
I think purely because we know how many people are using the service. WhatsApp is very greatly used in South Africa and across the world in many countries. It's also very easy to use. We know that there's a whole lot of information out there on the internet, very credible, very good information for businesses. But often business owners are very time constrained and they need kind of bite-sized information that they can access easily, don't have lots of time to read through reams and reams of content. And so WhatsApp also provides us with a very nice medium to really just distill the information down to the nitty-gritty of what a business owner would need on a mobile phone via WhatsApp. And WhatsApp also provides a very rich medium, which means you can share PDFs and video and all sorts of other rich content via WhatsApp as opposed to other kind of mobile platforms. So we just felt that, we certainly are just adding to what the resources are that are out there, but we felt that this would be a good medium to be able to provide access to information and resources.
So what sort of information, guidance and resources will be offered to business owners who want to take part in the SMMEstart?
Sure. So we did some research last year, Cynthia, where we just chatted to about 100 SMMEs that had survived through the lockdown, the initial lockdown and through COVID, asking them what it was that they needed. And obviously, the first response was some kind of funding or cash flow relief to get them through the situations that they were in. But also when they were applying for the various grants and funding opportunities that government and private sector were offering, many of them realized that either their businesses weren't 100% compliant, or they didn't have all their ducks in a row from an accounting or a tax or a legal perspective. And so from that research, we put together a menu item of content and resources. And within that menu item, we've got all of the latest financial grants and relief offerings that are out there from both government and private sector. There's a whole section on crowdfunding for your business. There's a section on tax and legal. So how do you get your business to be compliant, but very easily and easy to access information? We include quite a few skills, training opportunities. So how do you take your business digital? How do you use social media platforms to market your business? How do you access customers? And so forth. So we've tried to make it very relevant to the here and now as many businesses are trying to grow and recover and perhaps pivot their business through this challenging time. And we've included all of that information in a very easy to access menu item. So if any business owner out there just messages the word hi in a WhatsApp to 0600 110 110, the chatbot will return a message with a list of menu items, and it's very easy to follow the prompts from there. Choose financial, choose marketing, choose legal, choose tax out of the menu items, and all of that information and resource will be made available.
Now, another feature called Talk will be an added feature in the coming weeks, I do understand. Take us through what this feature is all about and what it entails, and how will it help better SMMEstart?
So right now, the chat-based SMMEstart platform is automated. So it uses a technology called Turn, which sits on top of a WhatsApp Business API. So everything is automated and happens in real time, 24/7, and doesn't involve any human interaction on our end in the back end. What Talk is an opportunity for a business owner to ask a question or to request information that may not be already on the platform. And for that, we will have a help desk. In fact, it is actually up and running at the moment with a real human person on that help desk. Her name is Janeo, and she is just fielding additional questions and requests from business owners so that we can keep improving and adding to the service. So this is a live service, which means that we update it weekly with new news and information and resources, and new requests that come through via the help desk, which is the Talk menu item, will provide us with guidance as to how to improve this constantly so that we're always putting the right kind of resources and information out there for SMMEs. So I do think it will really improve the service. While the chat-based system is fantastic because it's automated and 24 hours and runs automatically, sometimes there just is a need for a human interaction sometimes. And so we do offer that as part of the SMMEstart service.
And the small business owners and just about everybody who wants to engage or be a part of SMMEstart, how do they go about doing that?
So it's very easy. Anybody with WhatsApp can just send a message, hi, to the WhatsApp number, 0600 110 110, as if you're texting a friend. So save the number, 0600 110 110, to your phone. You can call it SMMEstart or business chat or whatever name you want to give it. And then just message the word hi and follow the prompts from there. It is really, really simple to use. And that number again is 0600 110 110. And it is free to use. So it is literally just the usual WhatsApp data charges that would apply as if you were WhatsApping a friend or any other company. The service and the information and resources are all free to use.
All right. Samantha, great chatting to you. Thank you so much for your time.
I appreciate it, Sabira. Thanks so much.
All right, thank you. That was Samantha Mann-Clark, who is the director of Josie Hub, talking to us about SMMEstart, which provides businesses in the country with information, to help business owners restart and grow their businesses during COVID-19.